Namo Ratnatrayaya. Vajrayan Views, Vajrayan Talk. It's a daily discussing program about Buddha nature, Bodhisattva, and household monk's life. As usual, I'm describing now to Lalita Bistar Sutra. Till yesterday I have finished the 12th chapter of Lalita Bistar Sutra. In 12th chapter, Shilpi Sandarshani Parivarta I have described yesterday. During the discussion on Shilpa Sandarshani 12th chapter, I have described all about Siddhartha Kumara's skill test. Skillful means presentation as of wishes to marry, to know the complete knowledge about skill test by the daughter of Gopa, by the daughter of Dandapani, naming Gopa. And after that, when among all the prince and the participants on the skill presentation practices, being a most achievement, a greater achievement by the Siddhartha Gautama, the daughter of Dandapani, Gopa, married with Siddhartha Gautama. After they get back from Dandapani's house to Kapilvastu town's palace of Suddhodana king, they are living together with all the family in the palace life with a prince and princess. Siddhartha Gautama had got all the knowledge and experiences from Tushita Bhavana, being a Shvetaketu Bodhisattva too, and entered to Maya Devi's womb to born as a human beings with a quality of Bodhisattva. And the Siddhartha Gautama realized inside the womb of Maya Devi. And after having a birth as a human beings, he experienced all the human beings' life too. Not only the human beings' life, he also experienced the life of prince and princess and the conjugal life. And in this duration, he all experienced and notified him all about the environment too. In this period, in this time, the Devatas from the sky, Devaloka, they came to visit and give a gracious presence for their conjugal life. And also the gods and goddesses came to the palace to notify the commitment of prior life of Siddhartha Gautama. and they respectfully requested that now it's time to leave the palace. It's time for Mahabinishkramana. It's time for to get knowledge about the perfection with practical life, about the 6 paramitas, 6 perfections. Dana, Sila, Chanti, Virya, Dhyana, Pragya, Paramita. These perfections should now realize, and by realizing these perfections, it's time to walk on the path of Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, and Upecha. Friendly, tranquility, equality, and compassion. Time to walk on the Chatu Brahma Vihara, being a Bodhisattva. It's time to leave for Mahabinishkramana. It is all given knowledge. Read back the memories of Sakyamuni Siddhartha Gautama's past life to him. And realizing from God's, from the heaven, Sakyamuni Siddhartha Gautama also given knowledge about the religious activity, which is to gain knowledge of Dwadasa Pratitya Samutpada, the law of independence, the law of cause and effect, the law of wheel of life. So, Siddhartha Gautama, Prince, given the discourses to the public at Anantapura that now you should aware from the religious activities, you should aware from the knowledge of cause and effect. And giving all the knowledge about cause and effect at Anantapura, it is all then re-memorized when he was being a Sakyamuni Buddha, and Sakyamuni Buddha given the discourses to his Dharma Sangha, Bhikshu Sangha, that when he was as a childhood, when he was before the human beings at Swetaketu of Tushita Bhuvana life, and during the ovary womb of the Maya Devi, and after that getting born as the general human beings with the quality of Bodhisattva. So describing all to the public at Anantapura, in this meantime also he realized the Tiriye sound, a very happy sound, provocating sound to be a Buddha. And he also realized that all the rage aura power from the planetary system, because of the environmental sounds and the rage aura from the planetary system, Siddhartha Gautama awakened. In the meantime, from a Devaloka to Tushita Bhuvana, Deva God came to the sky of Kapilvastu Nagara, and from the sky he given the provocation sound to aware to the Sakyamuni Siddhartha Gautama that Prince Siddhartha, you had committed, you will be Buddha to get relief all the sentient beings from the sufferings. For the better environment, Sarva Prakaram Jagat Sattu Prani Hitaya, by all the means and methods, you have had committed that you will conserve the universe and you will give free liberation for all the sentient beings' sufferings. So it's best time, it is utmost nearest time to aware for the peoples, for the suffering, to liberate sufferings from the human beings. As it is told by Hrideva Devata, Sakyamuni Siddhartha Gautama Sarvartha Siddha renounced his all the previous lives and during the life of human beings as a bodhisattva in Siddhartha Gautama too. This is all the description described to the peoples of the Kapilvastu Nagara at Anantapura. And in this period, Hrideva also notified him to memorize his commitment that when in front of Dipankara Buddha, in prior life of Siddhartha Gautama, he committed that I will born as a human being and I will find the truth for the liberation from the sufferings. The Dwadasa Pratita Samutpada knowledge, the knowledge of your will of life and having a Buddhattu, the enlightenment. I will be Buddha. You committed. Be aware from that. It is all notified by Hrideva Devata, Hrideva Deva, God on the sky above the Kapilvastu Nagara. Hrideva notified to the Siddhartha Gautama prince. Immediately, Siddhartha Gautama renounced that now it's time to leave palace to search for ultimate truth. To attainment, enlightenment for Buddha. And being a Buddha, it's time to me to liberate all the universal sentient beings' sufferings. So, this all the description is inscribed in Lalita Vistara's 13th chapter, Sanshodhana Parivarta. Because after getting the liberation from the sufferings, nobody has to suffer from any kind of diseases and sufferings. Because if they liberated, they notified the cause and effect. If Sakyamuni Siddhartha Gautama entertained the life of enlightenment as a Buddha, he will be liberated from all the birth process. he will liberate, he will separate it with liberation from the wheel of life. So, it is described in Lalita Bistar Sutra, Sanchodhana Parivarta, and all the memories was described during the period of Rajkumar, French Siddhartha Gautama, and all that re-memorized being a Sakya Muni Buddha, and being a Sakya Muni Buddha, all the discourses given to his Pichu Shangas, Pichus, that with this description about the liberation of Sakyamuni Buddha, being a Buddha, I want to close this Sanchodhana Parivarta Trayodasa now. Definitely I will come with you next chapter tomorrow. Till then, stay with me tomorrow as well. And if you have not yet subscribed me in YouTube channel, please subscribe me, Rajendra Ban Bhattacharya's YouTube channel too, for our continuous compassionate relations. Thank you very much. Bhavatu Sarva Mangalam.